Today, we're checking out the Logitech Wave Keys, a wireless ergonomic keyboard designed for comfort, productivity, and smooth typing, whether you're working, studying, or gaming across multiple devices. Right away, what stands out about this keyboard is its wave-shaped design. Unlike traditional flat keyboards, the Wave Keys layout gently follows the natural shape of your hands and wrists, helping reduce tension and fatigue during long typing sessions. This keyboard also comes with a cushioned palm rest, which gives your wrists soft support, so your hands stay comfortable even after hours of use. That's great for students, creators, or anyone who types a lot every day. The wireless connectivity options are versatile. You can connect via Bluetooth or use the included Logi Bolt receiver, a tiny USB dongle that gives you a reliable wireless connection with low latency. This makes it super easy to switch between devices like a laptop, tablet, or desktop without unplugging anything. Logitech made multi-device use simple with easy switch buttons. With the push of a key, you can flip between up to 3 devices, perfect for people who work on a Windows PC, a Mac, and a tablet all in one day. Compatibility is excellent too. The Wave Keys works with Windows, Mac, and many other operating systems, and Logitech software lets you customize shortcuts and function keys if you want extra productivity boosts. The typing experience is comfortable and natural. Keys have a nice amount of travel, and the spacing feels intuitive. So whether you're writing emails, editing docs, or chatting online, the feel is smooth and responsive, far more ergonomic than a basic flat keyboard. The graphite color gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well with most setups, and the overall build feels sturdy without being heavy or cumbersome. So, if you want a wireless, ergonomic keyboard that combines comfort, multi-device convenience, and reliable performance, the Logitech Wave Keys is definitely worth considering. If you found this review useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.